Been through the fire, walked through the storm, bruised and broken, heart all torn. But I heard him whisper through my doubt, hold on, daughter, I'm bringing you out. Nights were long, but grace was near. He caught every cry and bottled every tear. No enemy can block what he has planned. My God is mighty with a sovereign hand. God will work it out.